Welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're on our way down to Brampton, Ontario to GTA Jeeps and Trucks, where I'm going to be picking up my new hood for my Jeep. I ordered this thing last year and it's finally come in, and I just can't wait for you to see it installed. Join me. So we just got into Brampton, as you can see by that sign right there, and we're minutes away from pulling into GTA Jeeps. I gotta really stay my distance while we're here. There's a huge outbreak of COVID in Brampton, so I will be wearing my mask and washing my hands in and out of the store and taking every precaution necessary.
Arrive at your destination on the right. You are approaching your destination.
There it is. GTA Jeeps, right there. What this guy in the white guy is doing.
You have reached your destination.
You gotta come up and go right on top. Will it fit in there? Yeah, it can just go right up on top. I bought a whole bunch of ratchets.
Oh, really? Do you want to go slide it?
Fuck, I missed my Jeep, man. Fuck.
Right? Fuck. We can move it back a little bit.
Sure. Pick it up a little
Have
bit.
the adapters. We're gonna buy both bags. I'm not looking for it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Heading home from GTA Jeeps. I want to show you what's in the parking lot. There is some nice rigs here today. I've got the hood mounted on top of the roof. I got it fastened down really good, so hopefully I can make it home in one piece. So this is the new name that I'm going with. I'm going to be keeping this hood. I'm going to be hanging it in the wall in the garage, so I want the name to match my new hood. In order to exchange the hoods, I'm going to have to prepare today for the installation tomorrow. So I'm going to take these clasps off. I'm going to be taking off the water spout and the post that holds the hood open. So the sun is back out, and I decided to take the windshield wiper fluid hose out so it can go onto the new hood. So only thing I have left to do today that I can do is take these bumpers out, these pieces out, and then these out. And we did it without breaking it. Awesome. I was really nervous about that. Okay, the rest of it is just bolts. Everything that I need to be uninstalled for tonight is is uninstalled. I have one bolt on this bracket on each side just to keep this closed for the night. These have already been loosened, so as soon as Marco gets here, just pop those off real quick, and then we'll pop off the hood. Last and final step I gotta do before Marco gets here is remove these bolts. Now it's ready to be lifted off and put into the garage. This is the fiberglass one. No, it's you get the latch? Yep. You don't want a latch? I don't want it to latch. I won't latch it down. No? Now I just need to add the mounting tape to the side pieces. Every time I've ever worked with this tape, it's always been a real pain to peel that off. Let's see how this is. That's actually not too bad. Now I just need to attach it. That is on there. That is not coming off. That looks fantastic. that is my Scorpion hood by NVE. I think it looks totally badass. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you for joining me here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. I'm absolutely ecstatic on how this hood install turned out. The paint matches perfectly. The name is awesome. The black and the red just really separate this from every other Jeep that's out there. So I'm really, really happy with it. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, guys, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.